In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for fiction writers. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, take a moment to notice the main dashboard layout. Notebooklm is designed around three working areas: a source panel on the left, a chat panel in the center, and a studio panel on the right. This layout is helpful for fiction writers because it keeps your research, your questions, and your outputs organized in one place. Next, create a fresh workspace by clicking Create New on the dashboard. This gives you a new notebook where you can focus on a single project, like a novel, a short story collection, or even a specific world-building folder. Keeping separate notebooks for separate projects will help you stay consistent and avoid mixing details across stories. Now it is time to add your material. In the pop-up window, upload your sources to populate the source panel on the left. You can choose PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your drive. For fiction writing, good sources might include character profiles, setting notes, timelines, research articles, interview transcripts, or inspirational videos you want to reference later. Try to name or select sources that clearly match what they contain, because that will make it easier to trace details as your notebook grows. With sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center and type a question. Notebooklm will analyze what you provided and respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Those citations matter because they let you jump back to the exact source passage where a detail came from. This is especially useful when you are checking continuity, verifying character traits, or confirming a plot point you wrote down weeks ago. When you get a helpful response, click Save to Note on that answer. This lets you collect key insights, summaries, and decisions in one place so you can build a reliable reference you can return to while drafting. Finally, go to the studio panel on the right and choose an output. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate an instant format based on your sources. These outputs can help you review research quickly, recap story bibles, or create a high-level project summary to keep your writing on track. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.